Hard automation versus robotics. Most people don't know what the difference is. The robot is the big flexible thing that looks like an arm, whereas a hard automation just moves usually linearly and can move in a circular motion as well. Now, the decision as to which to use should depend on what is needed. Often it depends on who you're talking to. A guy who sells robots is going to sell you robots, and a guy who doesn't sell robots is going to try and find a way to shoehorn a system in. That's just the way people are. But you want to look at what you need. The simple way to look at it is if the motions are linear or circular or direct combination. Hard automation is simpler, cheaper, and faster. If you have complex motions where you have to pick something up and weave it through a curve and twist it while it's curving, etc., then you want a robot. As well, if you have a lot of changes in positions, robots can be often programmed a little bit easier to reach all those different positions. So when you're looking at whether or not to bring in a robot, look at whether or not you need that flexibility, that flexible automation, or if you can just do it with hard automation, straight lines and rotation. You'll find that's the best way to make the decision, and not just what looks cooler, because yes, robots look cooler, but we don't always need that.